Alright, so today we're going to talk about Comfort Access, which gives you the ability to lock the vehicle without pulling out the key fob, leave it in your pocket or your purse, but you can also unlock it and walk into the car that way as well. So if you want to look over here, you'll see these three little lines on the inner portion of the door handle. So to lock it, the key can be in the pocket. I'll apply one finger on those lines. The vehicle is now locked, and if I'm going to approach the vehicle and hop inside, I put my hand in the handle away from those lines and hop inside. The car is also equipped with hands-free trunk or a tailgate, so if you want to come towards the back. The benefit is your bags, you don't have to keep them on the floor, on the ground because it rains. You don't want to get them to get dirty. It's roughly an arm length away from the trunk, directly under the plate, in and out very quickly. Taillights flash, it'll open up for you. And to close it, you can do the same thing, foot in and out like a pendulum, quickly, and it'll continue to close. Comfort Access.